I first started writing, and I don't know if it's still the same, if these are the same rules as when we first started writing. One of the things we were always told is not to overuse adverbs, that you can always say something by using it, framing it in a different way. And like if you have too many LYs in your story, is it LY? Is that how you describe it? Like
please, yeah.
in your book. So you should go through and get rid of those and change the right, because it's more of a telling than a showing. Like you want to show the action, not tell the action. Yeah. And so we came up with a list of our top 5 adverbs that we use
way too often.
Shouldn't use them.
I totally agree.
Like, okay, so I use these anyway.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Most times.
Most times. From it. Okay, so these are our top 5.
Yes.
My number 1. Deliberately.
Good one. My number 1 is really, because I really, really love really.
Number 2, unexpectedly. I mean,
that's another good one. I'm pretty sure I used that one, but my number 2 is
say it without it. Like,
look,
unexpected. It was an unexpected surprise. Unexpectedly, he showed up.
No, I totally agree with you. You have to use that word sometimes. But my number 2 is usually.
Usually, yes.
Yep.
My number 3, mysteriously.
Because of the type of books you write. That totally makes sense.
Yes. And there's probably a different way to say that. You show it. It's mysterious, not mysteriously. He's in the dungeon.
Agreed, but at the same time, it gets the word, you get the image across. My number 3 is suddenly. Again, better way.
Shakily.
This shows the type of books we write. My number 4 is hopefully. What is it? Quickly. Oh my goodness, I should have been on my list. That was such a good one. Okay. My number 5 is also quickly, but I'm also going to add seemingly, because I use that word way too many times in my drafts. Like I erased it when I reread, but seemingly.
Yeah. See, that's what I would never use.
Yeah, I think it should have been quickly. Now that you've said that, I think my number 5 should have been quickly also.
But seemingly, you know what? I have used it before, but more of a different type of document. Because I kind of like it.
I kind of like it too. And it's kind of like one of those words, like as you're typing and and it seemingly felt like blah, 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 blah. And then you just read through it and then you erase that. And you say, it doesn't matter. It can be, actually, all of these can be.
I say it seems like. It seems like. It seems
it would be the same thing, seemingly.
Overused word, like.
Like.
Your spoken word, like.
Totally agree. Like, totally.
Totally. Like, totally.
Another good one.